I will talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your map. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, so you just click here on settings here, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to display theme, you just click on it. Then you come to light, you just click on light here. So then here automatically it's going to change with you to light mode like you see on your map. So that's all you have to do to change it on your map. That's all. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.